thank you for joining me as we learn a new sound. Have you got your brain switched on? Let's get started. Today, we're learning the Z sound. When I do this, it's my turn, and when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. Z, Z, Z. Excellent. Let's look in my magic box and see if we can find anything that starts with the Z sound. I found a zebra. 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 Well done. Let's see what else we can find that starts with Z. What's this? A zip. 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 Excellent. Let's look for one more thing that begins with a Z sound. I found a zigzag. 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 Excellent. So, zigzag, zip, and zebra all begin with a Z sound. Now, let's have a go at writing the sound. To write the Z sound, we start at the top, we go back, down at an angle, and back again. And we make sure we do it all in one movement, keeping our pen, pencil, or magic fingers on the page. Now, I want you joining in at home with your magic fingers, writing on your piece of paper. Let's get our fingers ready for writing. Big stretch, give them a wiggle, get our shoulders ready too with a big roll, and we're ready. So, start at the front, back, down at an angle, and back again. Excellent. Start at the top, back, down at an angle, and back again. Let's do it one more time. Make sure we're keeping our magic fingers or our pencils on the page. Back, down at an angle, and back again. Excellent. Well done. Now, let's have a go at reading some words that use the Z sound. Our first word today is zip. When I do this, it's my turn, and I want to make sure you're listening to each sound so you know what to say when it's your turn. Z-I-P, zip. Your turn. Zip. Excellent. And again. Z-I-P, zip. Your turn. Zip. Well done. Our next word today is zap. My turn. Z-A-P, zap. Your turn. Zap. Well done. My turn again. Z-A-P, zap. Your turn. Zap. Well done. And our last word for the day is zig. My turn. Z-I-G, zig. Your turn. Zig. Well done. And again, my turn. Z-I-G, zig. Your turn. Zig. Excellent. I wonder if you can think of your own words that use the Z sound. Well done for working so hard today, guys. I can't wait to see you again soon. Goodbye.